Hey guys, welcome back. Uh, Today now is Friday the 13th. It's full moon last night. Anyways, uh, Fleet Farm is a deadly place for a guy like me. Yeah, I think I spend way too much money there. But anyways, I got these rubber boots here that I haven't had that long. Probably, I want to say the beginning of summer I bought them, or this spring sometime. And the other day we were loading steers. I used to think we had to load a heifer up. I think we were selling steers, and I was standing in the yard here behind the shed and felt the cold sensation in my foot. Turns out one of these has a crack. Actually, it's right in here. I literally just bought these. Well, smart guy I am, I went out and bought some Flex Seal. We're gonna try and seal these things up. If it works, hey, I might save some money. Usually with these boots, I wear these boots. I mean, if we're sorting steers, if I gotta go through the manure, if it rains and it's muddy and there's puddles everywhere, I'll put them on. So I can't say the boots just wore out, or if I might have sliced it on something, to be honest. But so we're gonna try it. If it works, if it works, I'll probably just keep spraying them on until they really wear out. But hopefully that works. I see the other one too was starting, so maybe it was a boot problem. But so now another thing I bought at Fleet Farm. Probably didn't need this. All I needed was a 24 millimeter wrench. All the head sprockets for tightening the chains on the head on the balers are 24 millimeter. And I was hoping they had a 24 millimeter wrench with a longer handle, because usually I have to use two wrenches just to crank them, good tight enough. I ended up buying this, I think it's like a 14-inch handle socket wrench or ratchet wrench. So yeah, we'll see how this works. I got my leaf blower here all charged up. We're gonna start cleaning out them balers. We had an inch of rain last night. Now they're talking like 6 good days here, so may or may not get some baling action. I don't know. I just want to be prepared, because you never know. So alright, well, I'm probably going to set the camera up and just let it run and go from there. So Hey guys, it is day 2 of this particular video. I got the shed here pretty much cleaned out. Um, my plan is to back the 2015 baler in. I think I'm gonna clean both the balers out, the chambers, all the partial bales and whatever else is in there. Clean that out, fold the ramps up. I want to back that one in as far as I can get it, and hopefully back this one in then kind of right in front of it, or we'll see how it goes. So I'm gonna jump on that tractor. We're gonna back it in, and I'm gonna cut the strings, and we'll pitch all the hay right in front of the goats. The goats can eat it up, and then go from there. I gotta run to town Monday. Today's Saturday, and there's parts for the pickup heads sitting at the local dealer. I got all the teeth, I got all the bolts, but there's a few other things. There's supports and brackets and whatnot that I don't have, so I gotta go get those. And then if I get some time here, we're gonna do the teeth, the pickup teeth. So, all right, well, I'm gonna jump on that tractor and we'll back her in. Hey guys, it is day 3. I know what you're thinking. God, this guy can't get anything done. It's about right. Well, day 1 it didn't start till about 3 o'clock. Yesterday it was mid-afternoon, and today is kind of in the morning yet. It's Sunday today. I'm gonna try and wrap this video up today and hopefully have it out tonight yet. But so I got this baler. This baler's all cleaned out. I got the ramp closed up, but it's all cleaned out in there. Had some grass hay in there that I'm pretty sure he must have put acid on it. Even when you put acid on, if it sits in the baler, it molds. It gets hot. It likes to bake onto the sides too and rust your sidewalls out. But I don't like to clean it out. It is a pain. But also, say if I had to go bale today, I'd have that in there. I have something to start with. Right now the baler's completely empty. That first bale's going to come out like basically just a pile of hay with strings around. It's going to be loose. I'm going to have to cut it open, rebale it, and that's not always fun, but it's bad. I don't like it sitting in there too long, and the balers did sit out for about a week. We had a couple inches of rain, so I mean that affects everything too, but shed space is tight around here. So anyways, I backed this in, we cleaned it out. I went through and I tightened the head chains. So I'll show you what we got here on the head. So on each side there's this side panel. This side is really oily because I have to do it manually. Basically every chain's got this tightener on. You gotta loosen the knot and tighten the chain up. And then there's 3 of them on this head. And then the main heavy chain here is actually pretty good. So we got this call it the main drive, I guess. I was going to tighten him up, but he doesn't need to be tightened, so we're not going to worry about him. The other thing I should do, the greaser should be full of grease. That I'll probably do when I get it hooked up to bale again. The twine boxes should be refilled. I should go through with the grease gun with grease. I don't want to say everything, but I might hit just about all of them. So this baler's got a couple different kinds of zerks on it. There's 4 of them that are every day, every like 8 hours of use or 10 hours of use. There's 50 hours, so every 50 hours of use. There's 100 hours, so every 100 hours of use, and whatnot. And then there's 3 shear pins on this baler as well. You got the flywheel bolt, which on this baler I believe is still original, which is hard to believe, but you got the flywheel, the stuffer, which that's right here. This is the thing that pushes it up into the chamber, and then there's the knotter shear bolt. It's right on the shaft that runs the knotters. I want to replace that bolt because basically if that bolt breaks, the baler's out of time, and you can't just stick a bolt in. You got to have everything turned correctly, and if you do it wrong, you could really mess something up. And so I think I'm going to go ahead and try and get those bolts replaced. the stuffer, and the flywheel bolt are, I mean, I don't think I've broken a flywheel bolt this year yet. Um, Stuffer bolts I replace all the time. Not so much in hay, but corn stalks, I mean, we went through probably a dozen. So this baler also needs that oil line replaced yet for the automatic oiler. I got to do that. I might try and do that this week. And yeah, I got the other baler sitting down here below the hill. He's about half cleaned out. I got to finish that, and then I think we're gonna either try and get him backed in here or find a good spot for him to park for now until I gotta use him again. So thanks for watching. I hope you guys kind of enjoyed this whole weekend. It's been a little slow or a little bit lazy here lately, but we gotta keep pushing through here because sooner or later everything's gonna go again. So yeah, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. If you got any questions, throw them down there. I appreciate you watching, and I hope to see you next time.